Kia ora tātou. So proud of these guys again today. It's always a pleasure to get up and come down and, I don't know, we give and receive. But these bros just too much today. Love what you shared today and the mahi rangatira guys. Mauri ora kia koutou. So as you know, we've been looking at different expressions of the ha or hene ahuone over the last couple of weeks and looking at the aroha, the whakaaro, the whakaaro, koha, hongi, hangi, hongi and hakari, and today we're up to pepeha, whanau, and as you know, and then we've got haka. So today we're looking at the simple pepeha and keeping it simple. He pepeha, he te me ngā, he waka, he maunga, he awa, he iwi, he hapu, he whanau. Te waka, te maunga, te awa, te iwi, te hapu, te whanau. Me ngā waka, ngā maunga, ngā awa, ngā iwi, ngā hapu, me ngā whanau. Sometimes when I used to stand up doing my pepeha, I got so many waka and maunga and awa in my head, I got them all mixed up. But anyway, here's a simple way just for today, just till we build up and build our repertoire. But somewhere to start, just to get the pattern going, just like the au, koe, ia, nei, nā, rā, te nei, te nā, te rā, so we can get this flow on. Waka, maunga, awa, iwi, hapu, whanau. We can make it more complicated later, but for now, here's perhaps a simple one. Ka mihi au, ki ngā waka. Ka mihi au, ki ngā maunga. Ka mihi au ki ngā awa, ka mihi au ki ngā iwi, ka mihi au ki ngā hapu me ngā whānau. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, katoa. Kia ora guys. Kia ora. Whanau, we're going to have a rest. I know you can't see us darkies in here, but we're going to have a rest for a couple of weeks for the holidays. And we're going to start back up after the holidays. If you'd like to join us to come and learn te reo. What we're going to do in the next 2 weeks is just gather some information about ourselves and our pepeha. So we're going to be working on our pepeha for the next period, for next term. E rongo whakairia ki runga kia tīna.
Tīna.
Haumie huie.
Ai kie.
Kia ora koutou, koutou mi.